of people are stressed and worried about one important thing, and that thing is how to get work. We are all prepared, we have upgraded our skills, and we are learning every day. But the problem lies in approaching. The problem lies in how to actually start. And the key point is how to get work. You may be having a good team, you might have a great knowledge, but what is the next thing that is required? Obviously, work. Until and unless we get the right opportunity to showcase and highlight our skills, how will we start working? So, let me just tell you all the steps that you must implement in order to get work. The first thing that you must do is focus on your strength. Reflect, think, and list down the areas in which you are very good in, or that is your strength or your domain. Second thing that you must do is approaching the right people. That means getting in touch with the clients, getting in touch with the customers. You might have the desert, the best desert in the whole world, but you should be able to create a demand for it, and you should also be able to serve the desert to the person who needs it, isn't it? So, what did I tell you? The second step, you must approach the right set of people. For example, if you are one person who is into designing applications, that means you must get in touch with the big companies, you must get in touch with the MNCs, you must get in touch with the industrialists and all the elite class who looks for good applications, who look for something to design. Maybe if I have my own firm, I would like to have my own app. Everybody would. The third step that you must do is look for the right set of people who can help you, who are positive, and who can guide you, facilitate you. Or, in short, look for the right mentor. Sometimes we just keep doing the hard work. Sometimes we just keep following the way without even knowing where are we heading. So what will happen? Obviously, you will never get success. You will never reach the right destination. And sometimes some people just keep following their mentor blindly. You must be aware of that. Is the mentor the right person to guide you? Have you chosen the right mentor for yourself? Sometimes the mentor might not have the same aim, might not have understood the thing that you have in mind. So make sure that you have chosen the right mentor, because it's a human tendency to pick up the things from the people whom we follow, to develop the same habits from the people with whom we are spending our maximum time, isn't it? So remember the third key element: choose the right mentor, be with the right mindset of people, the positive people. And the fourth is never quit. Keep sending emails, keep sending WhatsApp messages, keep doing your best. It takes time to get work. It is not an overnight thing that will just happen like a magic. Okay? So, good things take time, be persistent, and I'm sure that you have noted down all the steps. Let me know if you need my help. Take care and keep rocking.